All right, here we go. Good luck, Walter. Let's grab this one right here. Hololive Super Expo 2022. Weiss Schwartz English Edition, First Edition. Yeah, it's on eBay already. But to find out which are the short prints and all that stuff, you have to go to the other website. And it tells you, what the rarities are, or shows you the pricing plus the rarities. All right. Nekomata Okayu. Omaru Polka. Hako's Bales. Muna Hoshinova. ID first gen. Takanashi Kiara. Arami Law 15. Shiroge Noel. Oh. Nekomata Okayu. Gamers. Told you I was getting this stuff. Anya Malfisa. Gargura. Uzura Subaru. Wait, where's that other Subaru you have? Oh, no, it's the same image. Okay. Fifth generation Omara Polka. Ninome Inanis. Natsuhiro Matsuri. Sakamata Chloe. Iris. Project Hope. Iris again. Muna Hoshinova. Shirakami Fubuki. Fifth generation Shishiro Botan. Botan. Guys, the names are hard to read because of the foil. Takuro Miko. Amane Kanata. Akai Hato. Damn. Ayunda Risu, first gen. Follow ID first gen. Pick your waifu. Hey, imagine. Pick your waifu break. Nice. Uno más. And that's something I have to see once it all gets posted. Yeah, I don't know till the actual like product